In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix no sound in Brave browser. If a website suddenly goes silent in Brave, don't worry. This walkthrough will take you from the simplest check to a more thorough cleanup, all inside the browser. First, open the Brave browser. Make sure you're on the tab where the audio isn't working. Right-click directly on that tab. If you see an option that says Unmute, click it. Some sites also offer an unmute site option when you right-click on the page itself. This is the quickest fix because tabs or entire sites can be muted accidentally, and a muted icon may not always be obvious. If that doesn't do the trick, head into Brave's settings. Click the hamburger menu in the top right corner and select Settings. We're going to make sure the browser isn't blocking sound at the site level. Inside Settings, go to Privacy and Security. Then choose Site and Shield Settings and open the Sound section. Here, confirm that the main switch is set to Sites Can Play Sound. If it's off, turn it on. Just below that, look for the Blocked section. If the website you're trying to hear is listed there, remove it so Brave can allow audio for that site again. You can usually clear it using the Remove or Trash icon next to the site. If audio still won't play, cached files or old site data may be interfering. Clearing this data can resolve stubborn playback issues. In the left-hand menu of Settings, click History. Then select Delete Browsing Data. Choose a time range that fits your situation. If you're troubleshooting a recent issue, last 7 days is a good start. If problems have persisted for a while, all time is the most thorough. Check the boxes for cached images and files, cookies and other site data, and browsing history. Keep in mind that removing cookies will sign you out of most sites and reset some site preferences. When you're ready, click Clear Data and let Brave finish the cleanup. Return to your tab and try the audio again. By unmuting the tab or site, confirming that sound is allowed in settings, and clearing cached data, you've covered the most common causes of silent playback in Brave. If the sound comes back, you're all set. If not, repeat the blocked site check in the sound settings and ensure the correct site isn't being restricted. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you get your audio working smoothly in Brave.